Need to cash out your crypto from Trust Wallet to your bank account? While Trust Wallet doesn't directly convert crypto to fiat, you can still withdraw by using an exchange as an intermediate step. Here's how. First, download and set up Trust Wallet from your App Store, iOS or Android, or as a browser extension. Follow the on-screen instructions to get started. To withdraw, you'll first need to send your crypto from Trust Wallet to a supported exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, which allows fiat withdrawals to your bank. Step 1. Send crypto to an exchange. In Trust Wallet, tap Send and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, example, Ethereum. Go to your chosen exchange, find your deposit address for the same crypto, and copy it. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the exchange's address as the recipient, enter the amount, and confirm the transfer. Step 2. Convert crypto to fiat on the exchange. Once the crypto arrives in your exchange account, sell it for your local currency, example, USD, Euro. Navigate to the withdrawal section and choose Bank Transfer. Link your bank account to the exchange if you haven't already by providing your account details. Step 3. Withdraw to your bank. Initiate a withdrawal from the exchange to your linked bank account. Wait for processing. This can take from a few hours to a few business days. Example using MetaMask and PayPal if available in your region. You could send crypto to MetaMask, convert it using a platform like PayPal if supported in your region, then withdraw to a linked bank. Always check fees, limits, and supported currencies on the platforms you use. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.